Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a website that's been catching some attention lately, William Leigh Clothing. On the surface it looks like a brand with a long history and a touch of class. Their website tells a beautiful story about crafting luxury menswear for over 55 years, made with love and care in a small London workshop. They even say they're closing down after decades of dedication and are offering what seem like massive discounts on their remaining stock. Sounds heartfelt and nostalgic, right? But as always, it's important to see whether everything lines up or if something doesn't quite add up. Now let's take a closer look at what's really going on with William Leigh Clothing. The first thing that stands out is the domain itself. The website was only registered on October 21st, 2025, which means it's extremely new, less than a month old. That's not necessarily a red flag on its own, but it does raise some caution, especially if the brand claims to have been around for over 5 decades. You'd expect an established business to have a long-standing online presence, right? Then there are the discounts. The website is offering up to 50 to 70% off on supposedly high-end luxury suits. For a brand claiming to use the finest materials and craftsmanship, that kind of price drop is very unusual. Luxury clothing brands rarely offer such massive discounts, unless they're liquidating through verified platforms or legitimate outlets. Another thing that caught my attention is the images on the website. When you look closely, many of these images appear to be copied from other online stores. This is a common tactic used by fake or copycat websites trying to appear trustworthy by showcasing professional photos that don't actually belong to them. The contact information is another big concern. There's no phone number listed, and the website only provides a generic email address or a basic contact form. That's not something you'd expect from a genuine luxury brand. Reputable companies usually have clear ways to reach them: phone, address, and sometimes even live chat. Without that transparency, it becomes risky to make any purchase. As for reviews, the website itself displays glowing feedback with an impressive 4.8-star rating, but that's not what you'll find elsewhere. When checked on Trustpilot, there's only one review, and it's negative. The reviewer mentioned poor experience and possible scam activity. This kind of mismatch between on-site reviews and third-party reviews is often a sign that the testimonials on the website might be fake or self-written. And finally, there's the social media presence, or rather the lack of it. Legitimate fashion brands, especially those claiming decades of history, always have some trace of social media activity, whether on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. William Leigh Clothing, however, has no verified pages or posts anywhere, which makes their entire story even harder to believe. So while the website might look classy and emotional with its farewell message, all these details point to something that doesn't feel right. A brand with 55 years of legacy shouldn't have a 1-month-old website, no social presence, no contact details, and questionable product photos. If you're planning to buy from William Leigh Clothing, I'd strongly suggest doing a bit more research first or avoiding it altogether. It's always better to stay safe than regret losing your money to a site that might disappear overnight.